Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm going to be doing more mukbang with my pizza. I'm going to be eating pizza. I'm also going to drink my juice. I made this juice. If you want to know the way I make my juice, please comment down below. And if you are just seeing my video for the first time, please like and share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload my video. Okay guys, so let's start eating. I'm going to be eating my pizza. Pizza. Okay guys, join me. Let's start eating. It's very hot. Okay, I'm going to eat it. Okay guys, so let's start eating. Okay guys, I'm going to start eating my pizza. Join me. And this is my juice. So I'm just going to start eating. Come enjoy me. So this. Mm. 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 Mmm, this is delicious. I'm going to finish it. I will finish it, okay? Because I'm a fan of pizza. I like pizza. Okay. So, John, stay tuned and see the way I will finish it. Stay tuned, guys. You will see I will finish my pizza. It's too much in my mouth. This is delicious. This is yummy. Mmm. Oh my God. I'm getting full already. Oh my God. I don't think I can finish it, guys. It's full pizza, like full pizza. I'm still eating, guys. I'm still eating. I will finish the full pizza. Excuse me, guys. I'm going to finish the whole full pizza. Okay? Huh? Have you seen somebody finish all the whole full pizza? Count me among that person. I'm going to finish all the pizza. Oh my God. I finished it already. You can see me one. I'm going to finish it. Trust me. But just give me time. So guys, this is the last one. I finished it, trust me. I'll finish it. I finished it. Oh my God. It's finished. Hey, guys. It's finished. Oh my God. It's finished. So guys, this is the end of it. So guys, this is the end of it. You've seen it. I finished the full pizza. Okay guys, I finished it. In fact, there's no one. It's finished. So guys, see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you. I appreciate you all. See you on my next video. Bye bye guys. Bye.